Hey guys, and welcome to a Tsum Tsum unboxing video. Today we're looking at the new Tsum Tsum advent calendars. I'm Molly, and I'm joined with Katie.
Hello!
And Mac.
Hey!
And Marco.
Hola mi amigo!
And Donald. Okay, first we're gonna start with this one from Target. It retails about $30 US. It's a Bullseye.
Ooh!
From
Toy Story.
Yeah, I know where it's from. He's got
Cute little antlers.
Yeah.
antlers that really they don't fit on his head.
They fit on his head!
What? This is like poor design, you guys. Alright, next up, the Tsum Tsum advent calendar from Costco. Again, this retails about $30 US. Just open it.
I'm trying. Oh.
Serious?
This is very unsatisfying. We are sorry for the viewers.
Alright, what is it, Katie?
I got Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
My favorite of all the Tsum Tsums. I'm apparently really bad at opening things.
Alright, let me see her. Oh, she's cute.
I have her.
She didn't have it into like this guy over here. I own a bigger version of him.
Yeah, she's very tiny, but there's different size doors, you know, there's still time for her.
I could get one like this one.
Oh yeah, 5 looks pretty big. And last, but certainly not least, the Disney Store Micro Advent Calendar. This retails at $100 US. Is it worth it? Let's find out.
Oh my god!
We got a little Christmas Bambi.
And her antlers fit her!
Bambi's a boy.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, the antlers do fit though. And he's got a little.
Wait, do
like,
they come
scarf.
off?
No.
No,
Oh, I thought they came off for a second.
they do not. But
That'd be cool.
That's so cute.
all right, this is what we got on day 1. What do you think, Donald? Are you impressed? Oh, he's angry.